Cool.
All right. Okay. This is our robot. The name of our robot is Realema.
Okay.
So we have what is this thing? A motor driver. We have Arduino and everything. So I'm gonna control it via a computer. Like for example, when I'm sending a command, one means going forward. So when I press send, it will start going forward. So as you can see, the wheels are going forward. So I want it to go backward. I will send another character there, so it will start going backward. Then if I want it to turn left, I will send another command. It will turn left. As you can see, turning left, etc. So our aim is to control it using a phone. So now, because of I'm testing it, I'm using a computer to send a command. We're going to use a Raspberry Pi. We're going to combine it. This is a Raspberry Pi. We're going to put our Arduino on this Raspberry Pi in order for us to control it with the phone.
Awesome.
Then we will show you how it works.
So now with the phone.
Now.
Okay, cool.
Check where it is off its before you start forming, let's just get the thing. Go with your front to the
Okay, this is a user interface, as you can see. In order for you to control the robot, you need to use that address, that specific address. For example, forward, to start going forward. And if I want the robot to stop, my user interface, I press stop, and it will stop. I want it to turn right, it will turn right. Stop. Then forward, stop.